Today we're getting the windows tinted on the Passat. This was one of the first things I wanted to do when I bought this car because it's such an open car. It just feels like everyone's looking at you when you're sat on the inside. So I'm doing it for privacy, and I'm also doing it for the looks because I know I've seen a few pictures where the windows are tinted on this thing and it looks so much better. This is going to be the first thing that I do. I'm not sure how dark I'm going. I'll probably just speak to the guys when I'm there. But to do this, we're heading down to a place near me called DareWraps. Might be able to do a bit of filming there. We'll find out when we're there. Still haven't got around to cleaning this car. I did a little bit on the inside, but I'm gonna have to properly clean it probably after because I want to get some good after shots and I want the car to look a bit prettier. We're gonna head down to DareWraps and see what they can do. All right, I've dropped my car off and left my camera in the car. Probably wasn't the smartest idea, but the guy who booked it and who I was speaking to about doing this wasn't there. So at the moment, yeah, I've got nothing to film, so I'm gonna go for a bit of a walk. I'm gonna find something to do and then come back to see how the car is. I've decided to go find a Golden Grill, get some lunch. Hopefully by the time I've walked there, got lunch and walked back, should be done. I'm gonna get mugged in a minute. It feels like it. If I die on this venture to Golden Grill, someone order that chicken burger for me, or beef burger. Not really sure what I'm feeling right now. At my Golden Grill, had a chicken doner kebab. Don't know why I'm telling you this. Heading back now. Hopefully by the time I get there, it should be done, and we'll see the reveal. I'll see if I can capture any shots in there, but if the owner is still not there, it's not really looking likely. Alright, so we got the car back from the tint company and I'm actually really happy with the results. I'm going to give it a quick clean because it's stupidly dirty, and then we're going to do a little reveal. It's just window tints, it's nothing exciting, but yeah, I'm going to give it a quick clean and then I'll give it a proper little showcase to see what it looks like. I don't think I've got any before photos apart from what you've already seen. Yeah, let's go. That sky is not looking pretty. Oh god. Yeah, I can confirm 100% definitely gonna rain. This wind is picking up. I was gonna see if I could just get the worst of it off, but the wind is really picking up and I know that it's about to rain, but it's such a big car, I can't really just get the worst of it off because the whole thing is massive. Alright, I think I can safely say I have made it worse than it was before. But nevertheless, it's the thought that counts. I've made it look semi-shiny. The roof I couldn't even reach, so don't look at the roof. But again, before the hate train jump on the video and say, oh, you ruined the paintwork because you used one bucket and you could have scratched it. One, I don't think the paintwork can get much worse, especially with this. Stuff like that. And two, it is getting a fully polished wax cleanup detail in a few weeks. Probably in a week or next week, or we'll figure out a time. But nevertheless, let's fucking get on with it because I've been talking so much. Here is the reveal. BBC weather came through, BWTV weather was accurate. It has now started to drizzle down outside. So the results are actually pretty good. I am gutted that I didn't get to see it, well, I didn't get to film in the showroom of it being done. I was speaking to the owner there, and hopefully in the future we could do some collaborations there. If I ever want anything tinted or wrapped, you know, they've just told him to let them know. I was speaking to them about de-chroming it, but I think I like the chrome. It makes it stand out, like everything else black, and then you got the pop of the chrome, which is, I'm tempted to get chrome wing mirrors as well. I just really quickly wanted to say that I'm actually loving the car. It's getting to the point now. Fucking cat, man, there's always that. Sorry about that, there's always this cat that comes into my garden and tries to fight Duff or Ness. I'm actually really enjoying the car. A lot more than I thought I would. The comfort of it is amazing. The space that you've got is great. And you know what? I used to get so many comments about TDIs and diesels, and I just ignored them because, you know, people saying get a TDI next, modify a TDI. And for the longest time, yeah, I just ignored it because, you know, it's diesel, it's not as great. But owning one, I've now been looking around on Facebook, no, not on Facebook, on YouTube, exhausts for it. And the 2 litre TDI diesels don't actually sound that bad with an exhaust. They've got a good growl to them. Compare it to the 1.9. Now, I like the 1.9s, but I don't think they sound that great. I'm probably also going to get so much hate for them. Brilliant engine, but I don't think they sound that great. Whereas these 2 litre TDIs, I think sound pretty good with an exhaust, because it's more of a growl to it rather than just a noise, if that makes any sense. Anyway, what I'm saying is I'm really enjoying the car. I really hope you guys are too. I've got a lot of plans for it in the future. Nothing massive, but I mean, even, I think it was this morning I saw a post saying that you can swap on the 170 brake turbo onto this thing with some injectors, and then obviously get it mapped, and you'll be over 200 brake horsepower easily. I'm not sure what this one at the moment gets for stage 1. Could be in the works. It needs a new flywheel. Thank you to everyone messaging me saying that it's not the clutch, it's the flywheel. But what I think I'm going to do, if I get it replaced, I'm going to see if it gets worse. Obviously calm down on the launches and everything. If it gets worse, replace it, and then maybe get a remap. But yeah, follow me over on Instagram for everything that I've got planned for it, because I think I made a list a few days ago saying like the first changes that I want to do to it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the support. I'm actually fucking loving it. We're gonna see what we can do with the car, because modified, they look beautiful. I want a spoiler for it, but I'm not gonna buy one yet, because that's still, you know, I'm not just gonna buy a spoiler. I think the first thing is wheels, get new wheels for it, and hopefully Raceland are gonna hit me up again and send me some coilovers for it, just to drop it a little bit. I've told them I want comfort, I want the comfiest one they got. I'm not bothered about handling, I just want it to be comfortable. Obviously a bit lower, because at the moment the arch gap is quite big, but yeah, lowered, new wheels, tints are on, and then possibly a remap and exhaust once the clutch is done. Still need to give it a service. Anyway, I'm babbling now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys could smash the like button if you've enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to more content on the Passat, that would be amazing. Obviously, subscribe if you're new. If you've just watched this video and you've seen a couple of them and it catches your interest, why not subscribe? I've got a whole playlist of the golf videos that I did. Like every single video to do with the golf is in one big playlist. That will be, I think, on the screen here and also in the description. Subscribe, it's gonna be here. And what else is there? something else is going to be over this side. Can't remember what, but click it anyway. I'm sure it'll be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.